Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Ratipelli. In this video, I would like to teach you real numbers. Before learning real numbers, we have to learn few numbers. Those are first natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The numbers used to count things are called natural numbers. We are using these numbers to count things. That's why we can call these numbers also counting numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. N is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next, whole numbers. Natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by the letter W. W is equal to natural numbers n together with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next, integers. We can show whole numbers on number line like this. 0, 1, 2 and so on. Integers, all the positive numbers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on. All the negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on together with 0 are called integers. Integers are denoted by the letter I or Z. Set up minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1. These are negative numbers. Z minus. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. These are and so on positive numbers, Z plus. This is 0, neither a positive nor a negative. This is neutral. Next, rational numbers. The numbers which can be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not is equal to 0 are called rational numbers. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 by 4 and so on. Rational numbers also called quotient numbers. That's why we can show these numbers with the letter Q. Q is equal to rational numbers. Q is equal to set of x such that x is equal to P by Q. PQ belongs to Z. Q not is equal to 0. This is the set builder form. The definition is The numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, like fractions, are called rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not integers. Next, irrational numbers. Q dash or S. The numbers which cannot be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not is called 0, are called irrational numbers. In other words, if the square root of whole number is not a whole number, then those numbers are also called irrational numbers. Examples: 2 is a whole number but won't have square root. We can say approximate value 1.414. Root 3, not a rational number, it is also irrational number. 1.732. Next, square root of 5, 2.236. Approximately value only this also. These are irrational numbers. Next, real numbers. The set of rational and irrational numbers together are called real numbers. Real numbers are denoted by the letter R. R is equal to Q union S, or Q union Q dash, or Q union S. The set of all rational numbers, together with irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers together are called real numbers. We can show these all numbers in a Venn diagram. Natural numbers are in these are natural numbers. Natural numbers are in whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers. All integers are rational numbers. But irrational numbers, the numbers not rational numbers, are irrational numbers. So these are Q dash or S. Rational numbers and irrational numbers together are called real numbers. These are real numbers. We can say natural numbers, all natural numbers whole numbers, so we can say natural numbers n subset w. All whole numbers in integers, so w subset z. All integers are in rational numbers, so z subset q. All rational numbers are in real numbers, so q subset r. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to support me.